Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I have a fun, customizable, affordable gift idea for you that is perfect for friends and family. I cannot wait to share this with you. My name is Teresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. We're going to talk about stories that you can wear. I do want to thank Thread Tank for sending these particular pieces to me to share with you on this channel. Now, to be fair, I often see piles of graphic tees in stores, and some of them are very inexpensive. But as soon as you touch them, you kind of can see why. But that isn't even my biggest frustration. For me personally, I'll see a graphic tee that I like, and I'll pick the one out in the color and the saying that I want, and my size is sold out. Another common frustration that I have with mass-produced t-shirts is they almost always have a crew neck, which is fine if that's your preferred neckline. I personally prefer a V-neck. So with Thread Tank, I can not only choose the color shirt that I want, the graphic that I want, the neckline that I want, they're going to have my size because each one is custom made for you. The first piece that I want to share with you is this V-neck tee. These come in sizes small through 2 extra large. This is 52% cotton, which I love because that's breathable, and 48% spandex, which I love because it gives it a little bit of stretch. This fabric has such a nice hand feel to it. These are very easy care also. They are machine wash and tumble dry. I love so much about it. I'm very partial to light gray because I find it's very neutral and goes with everything. It has a nice V-neck that's not too low. I personally prefer V-necks, but if you like crew necks, they have those as well. I love the saying on this one. It says, "Nope, not today." Anybody else have those days where you just think, nope, not going to happen? I wanted to show you the graphic on this one in particular up close. These are meant to look like a vintage, well-worn favorite t-shirt. So you can see that it has a little bit of, I don't want to call it distressing exactly, but it's supposed to look like it's been washed many times. And I have to tell you that it has that already broken in, super soft feel to it. While I'm in tight, I wanted to show the tag to you because it has a beautiful sentiment on the back. On the front, it says stories you can wear, and then on the back it says stories are chapters we write about our life's journeys. Memories are diaries that we carry with us. At Thread Tank, every shirt has a beginning and most importantly a great ending. How will your story go? The pen is in your hands and the rest is still unwritten. The next tee that I picked out really applies to what we're all going through together at this time. And it says, have courage and be kind. And what a lovely sentiment. I love the way the bright white graphic pops against the mauve color of this t-shirt. And again, you get to pick the color of the shirt. I like this combination a lot. I think this will look so pretty with a denim jacket or a duster cardigan. The final piece that I want to share from my picks says certified foodie because your girl loves to eat. I am one of those people that as I'm eating one meal, I am already thinking about my next meal. I just love food beyond all reason, and I love to try all different types of cuisine and all sorts of food. So this one definitely spoke to me. I decided to choose the dark gray for this particular shirt. I really like the deep rich color of this shade of gray. And the lettering is in a light gray, so they really complement each other well. I just want to show you side by side that this is the light gray from Thread Tank, and this is the dark gray. I really like them both equally, and you can see how each one makes the graphics pop. Now, I happen to show all t-shirts in this video because that was my preference. I love to style a graphic tee under a hoodie, a jacket, a blazer, a cardigan. On the Thread Tank website, they have several styles and cuts to choose from. They have crew neck, V-neck, slouchy, tanks, sweatshirts, fleece, even baseball raglans. There is something for everyone on your gift list on the Thread Tank website. And here's the amazing part. Thread Tank is running a Bogo sale where you buy one piece and you get a second piece at 50% off. They have men's, ladies, and toddler sizes. This sale runs from Friday, November 27th through Monday, November 30th. They are also offering free US shipping on any order over $45. So you're saving on the pieces and you're saving on the shipping. I would love to know which tee that I shared with you today was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you next time.